Hello everyone, my name is Mohammed Siddiqui and I do my master's in electrical engineering. I recently graduated from UCF in electrical engineering and I started working with Mitsubishi Power as an IC engineer. And today I'm here for the presentation of my project for the class ED algorithm, and I hope you will like my presentation. And I am excited to present our work on neuromorphic computing for signal processing. This presentation will explore the exciting field of neuromorphic computing, focusing on its potential to revolutionize signal processing applications. We will delve into of spiking neural network SSNs, examine leading neuromorphic hardware platforms, and discuss the applications in various signal processing domains. Finally, we will explore the challenges and future directions of this promising technology. I hope this presentation provides you with a various variable overview of the neuromorphic computing and its potential impact. As moved to slide 2, traditional computer based on von Neumann architecture suffer from fundamental limitations. The CPU memory bottleneck. Data constantly travel between the processing unit CPU and a memory, creating a significant bottleneck that limits performance and increases energy consumptions. This limitations becomes particularly pronounced in demanding applications like artificial intelligence and machine learning, where massive amount of data needs to be processed. Now let's look to nature for inspiration. The human brain, despite its immense computation power, operates with remarkably low energy consumptions. This is due to its unique architecture characterized by distributed processing, massive parallelism, and event-driven communication. Neuromorphic computing seeks to emulate these principles from the brain to create a new generation of computing systems that are more energy efficient and better suited for complex tasks. As moved to the slide 3, at the heart of neuromorphic computing lies spiking neural networks, SNNs. Unlike traditional artificial neural networks that operates on continuous values, SNNs transmit information through discrete events called spikes. These spikes are essentially brief electrical pulses that carry information coded in their timing. This event-driven approach makes SSN inherently asynchronous and more energy efficient. Furthermore, SSNs are biologically inspired, mimicking the way neurons communicate in the brain, which adds to their appeal. To realize the potential of SSNs, we need specialized hardware, neuromorphic hardware. These systems are designed to efficiently implement SSNs by collocating memory and computing and leveraging asynchronous communication mechanism. Starting with the MATLAB, Simulink is a powerful platform that excels at numerical computation and simulation. This makes it ideal for modeling dynamic systems like control systems and signal processing. With MATLAB and Simulink, you can analyze system behavior early in the design process, which can help you identify and address potential issues before they become costly problems. Now let's talk about System C. It's a C++ based library that used for system level modeling. The unique thing about System C is that it can model both hardware and software components within the same environment. This is really beneficial for systems that have complex interactions between hardware to software. Additionally, System C supports co-simulation, which allows you to simulate hardware and software together to get a more accurate representation of the final system. So to summarize, MATLAB Simulink is great for modeling a dynamic system and early analysis, while System T is well suited for modeling complex with both hardware and software components. The choice between the two depends on the specific needs of your project. 3D, we organize our software around objects which are like self-contained units with their own data and behavior. This approach promotes modularity, meaning we can break down complex systems into smaller, more manageable parts. It also encourages resolvability, as object can be used in different parts of the software or even in other objects. And finally, ODD makes our software easier to maintain because changes to one object typically have a limited impact on other part of the system. Next, let's talk about the model-based design, MBD. In MBD, we use models to represent and analyze the system before we start writing any code. Think of it creating a blueprint for your software. This approach has several benefits. First, it allows us to identify and fix issues early in the development process, which saves time and money. Second, it enables us to experiment and optimize the system before we actually build it. Now let's discuss the agile development. The agile is an iterative and increment approach, meaning we develop software in a small cycle, getting feedback from the customer frequently. This approach is highly adaptable, allowing us to respond to changing requirements throughout the project. It also emphasizes close collaboration with the customer, ensuring that the building the right software. Finally, we have the DevOps. DevOps focuses on breaking down the barrier between software development and IT operations. It emphasizes automation and continuous delivery, allowing us to release software quickly and frequently with a minimal disruption. So to summarize, we have explored 4 key software development methodologies: object-oriented design for modularity and stability, based design for early validation and optimization, agile development for flexibility and customer collaboration, and DevOps for automation and continuous delivery. The choice of material depends on the specific needs and constraint of the project. Let's move to slide 4. Let's delve deeper into the building blocks of neuromorphic system. At the core, we have neurons that mimic the behavior of biological neurons. They integrate incoming signals and generate output spikes when a certain threshold is reached. Synapses connect neuron and play a crucial role in information transmission and learning. They modulate the strength of connections between neurons, dynamically adjusting their behavior based on experience. Event communication is essential. Neuromorphic systems often employ asynchronous communication mechanism, such as address event representation (AER), where information is transmitted only when an event occurs, minimizing energy consumption. As we can see in slide 5, several leading research groups have developed remarkable neuromorphic platforms. Spinnaker, for example, is a massively parallel data system designed for large-scale brain simulation. TrueNode, developed by IBM, is a million neuron digital chip that demonstrates the potential for high-density integration. Intel Lohi chips incorporate learning capabilities, allowing for on-chip adaptations and learning. BrainScales, a mixed signal platform, offer extremely high simulation speed, enabling real-time emulation of a large-scale neural networks. NeuroGrid and Dynap are other notable examples, each with its own unique strength and characteristics. In slide 6, neuromorphic computing holds immense potential for revolutionizing signal processing applications. In filtering, SSN can be used to implement adaptive filter that can dynamically adjust their parameters to changing input signals, enabling efficient noise reductions. For feature abstraction, SSN can excel in tasks like time frequency analysis, efficiently extracting relevant information from complex signals such as those encountered in event-based vision system. In classification tasks, SSN can be trained to recognize patterns and classify signals with highly accuracy and energy efficiency. Furthermore, neuromorphic systems can effectively integrate data from multiple sensors, enabling robust and intelligent sensor fusion. In this slide, we will discuss some EDA tools and neuromorphic computing. Challenges in designing and verifying complex neuromorphic systems need to be specialized EDA tools for circuit simulation and precision, physical design and layout, system level modeling and analysis. Now we will see some diagrams or connections to course topic. We briefly mention how course topic, example like VSL design, computer architecture are relevant to the development of EDA tools or for neuromorphic computing. As we can see the future and directions and challenges. The scaling on integration challenges, development of efficient learning algorithm for SSNs, integration with other emerging technologies, and the real-world application conversations. These are some of the future challenges we might have faced in the future, as we know that the technologies have some kind of issues in the future, and now these days we can see. So everything have some kind of issues. We need to solve those. And then I think these slides will tell you like these kind of issues we can face in future. Thank you. And in conclusion, neuromorphic computing presents a compelling alternative to traditional computing paradigm. SSNs or neuromorphic hardware offer the potential to revolutionize signal processing applications by enabling energy efficient, high performance solutions. I hope you like my presentation, but if you have any question, you can ask me. I wish you all the best. Thank you.